Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate sales strategies with HubSpot Sales Hub step by step clearly. To activate sales strategies with HubSpot Sales Hub, begin by logging into your HubSpot account. Once logged in, navigate to the Sales Hub from the main dashboard. Next, set up your sales pipeline by going to the Deals section. Click on Create Pipeline to define the stages your sales process will include. Customize each stage according to your unique sales process needs. After creating your pipeline, it's time to input your deals. Click on Add Deal and fill in necessary details such as deal name, amount, and expected close date. Make sure to associate the deal with the relevant contact and company records. Next, utilize the email tracking feature to connect your email account in HubSpot. On the settings page, locate the email option and follow the prompts to integrate your email. This allows you to track email opens and engagement directly from the platform. Now, add custom properties to your contacts to better segment them. Go to the Contacts section and create new properties that reflect your sales criteria. Implement workflow automation to streamline follow-up processes. Access the Automation tab and select Workflows to create a new workflow. Choose triggers that will initiate your workflow, such as a deal stage change. Next, set up actions, like sending automated emails or task assignments to team members. Utilize HubSpot's reporting features to analyze your sales performance. Access the Reports section and create custom reports to track your KPIs. Regularly review these reports to identify areas for improvement in your strategy. Leverage the HubSpot CRM to deepen relationships with your leads. Engage with personalized communication based on their previous interactions. Finally, continuously test and optimize your sales strategies using HubSpot's A/B testing features. Monitor the results and adapt your approach based on the data collected. By following these steps, you will effectively activate and enhance your sales strategies with HubSpot Sales Hub. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.